everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going straight to the point. So we'll be learning how to make this gorgeous EWA AGOYIN and how to make it sauce right from the scratch. Let's go into the recipe. So we start by soaking our pepper. This shombo pepper, we soak it in hot water for about 45 minutes. Now these are my ingredients. I've got the crayfish, soaked chili pepper, tatashi bell pepper, onions, garlic, salt, seasonings, honey beans, and generous amounts of palm oil. So now we have a pot of honey beans with water. Then we add some salt for taste. And we cover it for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on the quantity. And then we cook until it's soft. I mean, very soft. The beans for EWA AGOYIN need to be very, very soft. So we could use our turning stick to, mash everything and turn it into a paste-like meal. So we turn it with our omorogun, our turning stick. That's the EWA AGOYIN getting ready. So now we have our EWA AGOYIN, which we will set aside and then get our sauce ready. So now we blend our pepper. This is the soaked shombo pepper. We had the crayfish to the blender, and the crayfish, followed by the garlic, and then the sweet pepper, and then the onion. And then we had a little quantity of water because we don't want it to be watery. We need it to be like a paste, to be in a paste-like form here. Look at it. That's it. We don't want it to be watery, so the water will be added, will just be little. And then we'll blend everything and transfer it into the bowl. Now it's time to fry our AGOYIN sauce. That's pouring a generous amount of palm oil in the pot. So we allow it to be hot, very hot, but not too hot. We're not trying to bleach the palm oil at this point. We just want it to be really, really hot. Now we transfer the onions, chopped onions. And our goal at this level is to caramelize the onion. We want to fry to the point that the onion will be golden brown in color. So we keep frying. It may take time. You see, AGOYIN takes time to be ready. So when we frying it and stirring it, because we don't want the onions to get burnt. So we keep stirring and checking until we achieve that golden brown color. We're almost there. It may take about 5 to 10 minutes of frying, but until we achieve this caramelized goal, we can't transfer any pepper into the oil yet. The onion is ready now. So we'll be transferring our blended pepper into the oil. So now we add the seasoning cubes, some salt, and we keep stirring. Stir it. So we then cover and fry for about 30 minutes. Yeah, on a very low heat. Fry, and at a regular interval we stir it. We keep stirring it because we don't want it to get burnt. Yeah, keep stirring it. Cover it. This may take about 30 to 45 minutes to achieve that crispy brownish EWA AGOYIN sauce. Yeah. It appears that we're getting there gradually as the sauce is becoming darker in color. So remember to keep stirring because we don't want to eat burnt soup. So we keep stirring until the sauce is ready. Yeah, it looks more like it now. Yeah, that is it. This is the AGOYIN sauce we're trying to achieve. And it took us, about 45 minutes to achieve this goal. Frying our pepper on a low heat, continuously stirring it so it doesn't get burnt. And now here is our yummy AGOYIN sauce right from the scratch. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Please click the subscription button, activate the notification bell, and please like our videos, make comments. If you have any question, I'm right here to answer you. If you have any special request of what you want me to produce, please make that in that comment box. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.